Hi there, students. Rust, an uncountable noun. To rust, a verb. Rusty, an adjective. You could have the Rustbelt, or a rust bucket, or a rusty nail. Yeah? Or, okay, so rust is iron oxide. Yeah? Rust is the oxide of iron. Yeah, it's the deteriorated steel and iron as a result of oxidation. Okay, now very often if you say my English is rusty, it means you haven't used it for a long time. If something is rusty, it's you haven't practiced and it's not as good as it was. Yeah, it's become less good because you haven't been practicing with it. Yeah, so a skill is rusty. It's not as good as it was because you haven't practiced it. So my French is pretty rusty nowadays. Yeah, it's something a skill that I haven't practiced. Yeah, my singing voice is rather rusty at the moment. Okay, so rust is this red oxide of iron 3 oxide for you. And then if a skill is rusty, it means it needs practice. Yeah, you're not as good as you once were because you haven't practiced for a long time. Yeah, my English is a bit rusty because I haven't practiced all summer. And then a rusty can, a rusty old car. Okay, and that brings me to a rust bucket. So a rusty old car is a rust bucket. Yeah, a rust bucket is a vehicle, an old vehicle that is badly rusted. It's run down, it's dilapidated, but particularly either a car or a ship as well. Yeah, this rust bucket. I hope this rust bucket doesn't sink. Yeah, yeah. This his car is a rust bucket. Yeah. But then if you buy a rust bucket in auction, they're normally really cheap and well, try to avoid clapped out rust buckets, but you could probably sell it on for a profit. Okay, another word with rust as well, the Rust Belt. Okay, this is particularly in the United States. This is an area where there used to be a lot of manufacturing, a lot of heavy industry. And now that heavy industry is no longer profitable and it is all rusting and disappearing. So the Rust Belt of Midwest America. Yeah, I have a feeling Detroit is the one of the centers of the Rust Belt. Yeah, it's an area where there was a lot of heavy industry and it's in decline, particularly in the Midwest and Northeast United States. Yeah, the population is getting smaller, the factories are getting old, there's a decrease in production. These are normally areas which produce steel or cars or things like that. So the Rust Belt. Where would the Rust Belt be in the UK? Maybe Manchester, the Manchester, Liverpool, and north of there. There's a bit of a Rust Belt, I guess. Okay, so rust. This red iron oxide. If your English is rusty, it means you haven't practiced it, yeah? And you need to practice it to become less rusty, to get a bit of practice, because something is disused. A rusty bicycle. I can't turn the key in the lock because the lock is rather rusty. Yeah, it's a rusty lock. Rusty metal. I cut my finger on a rusty nail. There was a rusty tin can lying in the street. So Rust, 5 informality, use it anywhere. Rusty, I would say 5 informality again, use absolutely anywhere. Let's see, this word rust, the origin, it comes from Proto-Germanic rustaz, talking about rust, from Proto-Indo-European red, meaning red, and rust has this characteristic red color. Okay, so rust is red, and if something's rusty, it needs practice. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rusty.